Tree Made Easy.
Family Relationships Tree Vocabulary Part 2. Hello, Abusia. Mema wakwa review ever Tree Made Easy so. When you're Japan, so waha. Hello, family. Welcome back to Tree Made Easy. We are so happy to see you. Today, we are going to learn some tree vocabulary around our family relationships. Ene, yebesia sen yebeka insembi wo tree. Are you ready? Let's get started. Why a crowdo? Yen shasia. Grandparent. Nana. 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 Grandmother. Nana bar. Nana bar. Nana bar. Grandfather. Nana bema. Nana bema. Nana bema. Paternal uncle, which is your father's brother. If you are younger than your father. Papa kitwa. Papa kitwa. If your paternal uncle is older than your father, Papa penny. Papa penny. Papa penny. Paternal aunt, which is your father's sister. Sewa. 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 Maternal uncle, who is your mother's brother. Wofa. 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 Maternal aunt, who is your mother's sister. Mame. Mame. Or Mame Niabar. Mame Niabar. Mame Niabar. Cousins. Enianum. 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 Nephew or niece. Wofase. 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 Afe, yensho diaweshia. How do you say grandparents in tree? Good job, Nana. 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 How about maternal uncle? Wofa. 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 How do you call your father's sister? Sewar. 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 Good job, everyone. How about your nephew or your niece? Wofase. 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 Call for yourselves. How about grandfather? Nana Bema. Nana Bema. Nana Bema. Well done, everyone. Maya die. Mumbo munsamamu.
Yeah, we are family, we love each other. Yeah, boy, and who that be around. We help one another every day. Send me talk for my who come me home. When I feel low, you are with me. So talk for my meka oh. When you feel low, I'm with you. Abuswe amuna yenye nije. In family we find our joy. Abuswe amuna yenye uto. In family we find our peace. Brana yanantembo come. Let us walk together. Yeah, abuswe, yeah, bako. We are family, we are one. Abuswe ni ya wadi. Yeah, babo, yeah, family is strength. We all support each other. Say when we show love, we find peace. We try our best for everyone among us. In family, we find our peace. in family we find our joy. Abusemuna yenya uto, enya. In family we find our peace. Brana and Tembo, come, let us walk together. Yeah, Busia, yeah, Bako. We are family, we are one.
Thank you for watching. Join our YouTube family. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.